This is the first update that we are giving you concerning the road construction that is going on around the government house Awka. That's the new government house that is under construction. This road project, contrary to what we thought earlier about where the road is going to join at the back, earlier we thought it's going to join Obono Road, but contrary to that opinion, we are hearing that the road is going to burst out somewhere at Isu. Yes, that is what we heard, but ours is to give you updates, based on what is happening. We are going to be updating you concerning this road. Honestly, I must tell you that work is going on smoothly and at expected speed. This one is quite a very special road. Even the quality of the drainage system, if you watch, you see the thickness of that gutter. It's not like the one we are seeing at other places. So, but we are going to show you the area of this road that is the area that the drainage system is already ongoing concerning the construction of the drainage system. So, but we are not going to stretch down towards where their grader ended there. Viewers, this is the road that leads to the new government house construction site, the road that leads to Alese Pueme, the federal secretariat, and the whole lot of them. So we are coming from Aroma Junction, that is coming down from Aroma Junction. Well, if you noticed here, you will see a lot of overgrown bushes. These are the things that we keep talking about in this channel. Why the roads are so unkept and see bushes overgrown everywhere. Well, if you ask me, I will say that there is a little improvement in the cleanliness of this area, just a little improvement. Yes, we are moving down to the new government site road construction, and the road is going to come out through here. From that side, it's going to come out to this one and up to Aroma. You see, I don't know what this side of the world called a city. I know that there are certain things that makes a place a city. You don't just call a place a city. There are some things you will see that will qualify that place to be called a city. Why am I saying this? A city is supposed to have a pipe-borne water. This water will be used to water all these green areas. You can see the flowers and the grasses have turned yellow out of their own natural colors, signifying that there is no water to water them and take care of them. Well, let me assume that we are coming up in terms of development, but I don't know if we are going up or we are coming down, because I know that in early 90s and late 80s we have pipe-borne water in this part of the world, but now, some decades ago, over a decade, let me just put it like that, you can't boast of pipe-borne water in this area. That is quite unimaginable. Yes, over the news, the governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Soludo, he has made some advances concerning the rehabilitation of city and rural area pipe-borne water. But we are yet to to hear anything tangible in that aspect. So, but what brought about this is that those grasses that have turned yellow and the flowers, the little trees that were planted, they have all gone because nobody waters them. Naturally, if there is pipe-borne water in this city, it's just to channel one line here, and the line will be used to, water this area, and it makes it to be evergreen. That is about one of the aspect of aesthetic, part of a city. So the road we are visiting joins to this place, but we are going up there to see what exactly that is going on, because this is the first update we are giving you concerning this road construction that is at the government house Awka, the new government house Awka, Anambra State, Nigeria. Viewers, if you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, please click on the subscription button, notification bell, and let's hear your view about this video. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you, and share it with others. Others need to be informed and to be updated. Share it in other social media groups so that they will know what is going on. Thank you as you do that. Yes, this is the main entrance gate to the government house premises. So, but I'm sure that this place is going to house the offices and the residential area of the governor, the deputy, and probably the speaker. Well, until we come to the end of the project, we cannot conclude so far. Well, the contractor handling this project, their name is GELD, GELD. You can see they are digging the drainage system coming down towards the front of the government house, but we are going up to see what is happening there. Yes, the project is ongoing and in top gear. But like we used to talk, this open drainage system is not the best. And from the look of things, this place is going to be open. The gutters are going to be open. But until we get to the stage of being sure of that, then we can be sure of what we are saying. Yes, the thickness of these gutters, they are very, very okay. It's bigger than the other ones that we have been seeing so far. Well, I want to believe that they are giving special attention to this road and then particularly this area. So, but like I said, the road is going to come out at Isu. That's the information that we got, contrary to the earlier information that is going to come out at the Opuno. So, but we are not so sure of this information, but we will keep you updated to know exactly what is obtainable based on this road construction. So from here now, the road stretches down to one, should I call it a little river or something? Though we have not been there before, but we learned that there will be a place that the road is going to have a reasonable size of culvert, something that looks like a little stream. So the road stretches down to that place, and for now, this one is going to end at that culvert until further, instruction is being received from the government of Anambra State. So, but now we are having a reverse view of this road to capture the areas that we have not captured earlier. Viewers, if you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, please click on the subscription button, the notification bell. Let's hear your view about this video, and don't forget to share this video so that other people can watch with you and be updated. Thank you as you do that. So, but I think here the house, that building is badly positioned. The building encroached on the public road, but well, they decided to, tamper justice with mercy, sort of, But that house, that building encroached on the public road. Well, they have decided to, give that building a chance of survival, and they bent the gutters to give way for the building. Yes, viewers, if you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, please click on the subscription button, the notification bell, like this video, and don't forget to share this video. Others want to know the update concerning their environment and where they live, so don't keep this video to yourself. Share it with others so that they can be well updated. Thank you as you do that, and don't forget to drop your own comment. Let's hear from you what you think about this ongoing project. Thank you. Yes, viewers, very soon we are going to call it a day in this video, but let's not forget to keep our environment clean. Government or no government, anywhere you are living, you will ensure that the grasses are so taken care of, and the waste and a whole lot of them. Thank you as you do that.